What's he doing?
Singing. He does that sometimes.
I gotta have him. He's incredible. Tell you what I'll do. I'll give you $100 for him. No.
Okay, mister. Here it is.
All right. What about your grandfather?
Forget what he said. He's crazy. We need the money. Now, come on. You want it or not?
I want it.
Morning. Did it, Barney? Get in there. Be quiet.
This is what's left of my imported barbarian snowman. Your dog broke it this morning.
Oh, I'm terribly sorry. Just tell me how much I owe you. I'll be more than happy to.
I don't want money. I want your dog.
Barney?
Give him to me. I'll take him to the kennel. They'll put him to sleep. It'll be quick and painless compared to what I could do to him.
What could you do?
I'll catch the beast myself. And you'll get what he deserves. A slow, painful death.
Tra-la-la-la-la.
Oh, thanks, Dad.
You're gonna like this.
What is it, a birdcage?
No, don't shake it. We're gonna have to open it now. It won't wait till Christmas.
It's a puppy, isn't it? Yeah, it is. I can tell.
Go ahead, open it.
What is it?
No.
It's your new pet.
Come on, Barney, be a good dog. Dad, it's really neat. Where did you get this?
Oh, some little junk store in Chinatown.
Can I pick him up, Dad?
Sure, go ahead.
I hope he's housebroken.
Oh, isn't he cute? Has it got a name, Dad?
Yeah, Mogwai.
What?
Mogwai. I don't know, some Chinese word.
It's like you hurt yourself. Just sit down there and don't fall off, okay? I'll be fixed up in no time.
What's that?
Here, I'll show you. This is my new pet. My dad gave it to me.
Neat. What's his name?
His name's Gizmo. Giz? He's a Mogwai.
Gizmo.
Great, thanks a lot.
Sorry. Who's in that jar?
Nothing, just water. Mommy, don't you think this is incredible?
It really is neat. I'm serious.
Mommy, don't you think this is incredible?
It really is neat. I'm serious.
You know, it's funny, the new ones aren't like Gizmo. The one with the stripe seems to be the leader.
You know what?
What?
I'll bet every kid in America would like to have one of these.
Hmm.
They might even replace the dog as the family pet.
Barn? Barney? Barney, who did this to you? Hold on, I'll get you down. Stay still. Hey, what is with you guys? How about shutting up for a change, okay? I already fed you. Well, it's not 12 o'clock yet.
Where's that psychotic canine of yours still hiding under the counter?
No, I'm afraid he's on vacation.
You'd better keep him behind locked doors, because if I catch him, he's in for slow death.
Here's Mr. Bird's heart.
Mom, are you all right?
I think so.
Mom, it's Stripe. The one with the stripe seems to be the leader.
Ricky's getting fed up with all this Orson Welles crap, so cool it, will ya? What's that? Hey, kid, this is Christmas, not Halloween. Listen, gang, Rockin' Ricky's getting fed up with all this Orson Welles crap, so cool it, will ya? What's that? Kenny, what's that back there? Some of Rockin' Ricky's man? Hey!
I warned you. With Mogwai comes much responsibility. But you didn't listen, and you see what happens.
But I didn't mean it.
Daniel Clamp would like to speak to you.
Good morning, Mr. Wing. Well, let's cut right to key issues, okay? I'm prepared to increase my offer substantially. Now, Mr. Wing, you're attached to your business. I appreciate that. I'm attached to my business. I develop the biggest buildings in New York, and you sell, little things. Well, that's fine. Take a look, Mr. Wing. The Clamp Chinatown Center, where business gets oriented. Please, let us know when you made a decision, Mr. Wing. You know, I believe there's always an area of agreement that two people can reach. Hi, this is Daniel Clamp. You know, no visit to New York is complete without a tour of the world's most fully automated office building. My Clamp Premier Regency Trade Center and Retail Concourse, headquarters of Clamp Enterprises and home of CCN, Clamp Cable Network Television.
The death of Mr. Wing removes the last obstacle to developer Daniel Clamp's long-delayed Chinatown project. This quaint little shop, which once housed many rare objects from the Orient, must now make way for the future, Daniel Clamp style.
You know, tomorrow's when the Futtermans are coming to town.
Oh, right.
I don't know, we've been living here all this time and I'm still in the same job.
It takes time, Billy.
Yeah, but if we stayed in Kingston Falls, I probably would have been promoted twice at the bank by now.
Yeah, and you'd hate it.
I don't know. At least we could afford to get a decent place to live, get married.
That's the story of the Clamp Premier Regency Office Center, where one man's dream became a reality. I hope you enjoyed today's tour, and don't forget, pick up your copy of Mr. Clamp's best-selling book, I Took Manhattan.
It's a complete homicide disaster horror story.
I know, but they changed the specs on me, and they moved the deadline
You see,
back,
Billy,
so
this is your problem right here. You only see your little part of it. I have to have a complete situational long-term overview outlook perspective. It's as simple as that.
Well, it's almost finished. They just have a few
That
minor...
courtyard looks cold. It'll be better with the trees.
Are they gonna plant trees there?
No, but you're going to draw them. This is just what I don't need right now. Do you realize we have department review in 3 weeks?
Well, I just felt
It's
that...
a nuclear meltdown disaster. I mean it.
The Clamp Center is the most advanced smart building in America with the latest in security, communications, and climate control. Now, the center is just one part of Mr. Clamp's round-the-world business network, which includes construction, sports, finance, and, of course, a popular line of jams and jellies. Now, for those of you who have cable TV at home, the Clamp Cable Network is located right here in the building.
Well, Louis, it's like I've always said. If you want to find something weird, you have to go downtown.
Calm and centered. I enjoy giving milk.
Martin?
I enjoy.
Hello, Doctor. How's the cloning work coming along?
Really well, Doctor.
Louis?
Say, Doctor, we've got something we want you to take a look at. This is the most interesting bioelectrical work I've ever done. Just think, millions of rats in New York City and everyone hates them. This is the most interesting bioelectrical work I've ever done. Just think, millions of rats in New York City and everyone hates them.
It's him! He's here!
Mr. Clamp, sir, I'm Marla Bloodstone. I'm the department head here. If there's anything at all
It's
I can...
okay. Everybody just relax and go on about what you'd be doing normally. Hey, I know I haven't been down here before, but that's going to change. I'm going to be more hands-on with these operations from now on. Hey, this is excellent.
Isn't that terrific?
The people in Chinatown give a street festival, a sort of a spontaneous outpouring of appreciation for the, you know, everything I've done for the community down there. We're gonna have those dragons, you know, with the guys inside, those big long dragons, and well, maybe we could have a parade, you know, with all that.
3, 2, 1, cue Leonard.
Hi, I'm Leonard Maltin, and this is the movie Police.
3, 2.
Oh my gosh. Did somebody leave something out? Not I.
It's eating my vegetable medley.
Officer, just let us in there. We'll take the responsibility.
Forget it, lady. Most of the people are out of there now.
Then what's in there? I've been to Beirut.
The important thing is to keep this out of the media. You know how these people are. They get you to say something. The important thing is to keep this out of the media.
You'll have to set it up from the outside.
Oh, good. I finally get to use my secret exit.
You know, sir.
Yes, Bill?
If you pull this off, you could save the city.
Save the city. Developer saves city. I like that. Good.
Hey, that's Clem. Let's go.
Mr. Clamp, is it true the building's been evacuated?
Sir, is the building on fire? No, that's a false alarm. We've just got some problems.